I actually studied Malay for 12 years, from when I was just 5 until I graduated high school at 17. After that, I didn't use it much, but guess what? I still remember most of it. So today, I'm going to teach you the most useful Malay words. Things you can actually use when you visit Malaysia or chat with locals online. Ready? Let's begin. Let's start with something simple. Numbers from 1 to 10. I'll say them slowly first, and you can repeat after me, okay? Number 1. Satu. Number 2. Dua. Number 3. Tiga. Number 4. Empat. Number 5. Lima. Number 6. Enam. Number 7. Tujuh. Number 8. Lapan. Number 9. Sembilan. Number 10. Sepuluh. Let's say them faster now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not bad, right? Malay numbers sound smooth and a little musical. Just remember, the letter U sounds like U in English, so 10 sounds like sepuluh. Next, let's learn colors, or in Malay Warna. Red, merah. Orange, oranye. Yellow, kuning. Green, hijau. Blue, biru. Grey, kelabu. Black, hitam. White, putih. There's a color I still find mysterious, indigo. What's indigo in Malay? Honestly, I don't know. So if you know, type it in the comments below. Let's help each other out. Now, let's greet someone politely. How are you? In Malay is apa khabar. And if you want to say, I'm fine, you say, khabar baik. Easy, right? For thank you, say, terima kasih. And for goodbye, selamat tinggal. You can also say, jumpa lagi, see you again. These are simple, polite phrases that instantly make you sound warm and friendly in Malaysia. Here are some everyday words you'll hear a lot in Malaysia. New, baru, old. Lama, few, sedikit, many, banyak, wrong. Salah, correct. Betul, bad. Buruk, good. Bagus, happy. Gembira, short. Pendek, long. Panjang, small. Kecil, big. Besar, there. Sana, here. Sini, right. Kanan, left. Kiri. Don't worry if you can't remember them all yet. Just replay this video or shadow along until they start to sound natural. So now you know how to count, describe colors, greet people, and say basic words in Malay. Practice a few minutes a day and you'll be surprised how fast you learn. Let me know in the comments what other Malay topics you want to learn. Phrases for travelers, street food words, or how locals actually speak in daily conversations. I read every comment, so don't be shy. Terima kasih for watching. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Selamat tinggal.